Hey there, fellow Americans. Are you or your loved ones eagerly waiting for those Social Security checks? Well, I've got some exciting news that's going to make your day. The Social Security Administration has just announced a massive relief package, with payments up to $5,873 rolling out this week. This could be a game changer for millions of seniors across the country. Before we dive into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on important updates like these that could put more money in your pocket. Now, you might be wondering, why such a significant increase? And do I qualify? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail. This substantial payment is part of the government's response to the rising cost of living and inflation that's been hitting seniors particularly hard. But here's the thing, not everyone will receive the maximum amount. And understanding how these payments work is crucial to ensuring you get every dollar you're entitled to. Let's start with the basics of this relief package. The Social Security Administration has implemented these increased payments to help seniors cope with the surging prices of everything from groceries to healthcare. But did you know that your benefit amount can vary significantly based on several factors? These include your work history, the age at which you started claiming benefits, and your current living situation. This is why it's essential to understand how these calculations work, so you can maximize your benefits. One of the most crucial aspects of these payments is the timing. The rollout begins this week, but the distribution schedule varies depending on your birth date. Have you checked when your payment is scheduled to arrive? If not, don't worry, I'll walk you through exactly how to find this information. The Social Security Administration has implemented a systematic approach to ensure smooth distribution, and knowing your payment date can help you better plan your finances. But here's something many people don't realize: these increased payments aren't just a one-time thing. The Social Security Administration has built-in provisions for future adjustments based on inflation rates and cost of living changes. This means that understanding how these calculations work isn't just important for this week's payments, but for your long-term financial planning as well. Isn't it reassuring to know that there's a system in place to help protect your purchasing power? Now, let's talk about eligibility. This is where things get really interesting, and you'll want to pay close attention. The maximum payment of $5,873 is available to those who meet specific criteria. But even if you don't qualify for the maximum amount, you might still be eligible for a significant increase. Have you reviewed your Social Security statement recently? If not, this is the perfect time to do so. The factors that determine your payment amount include your lifetime earnings, the number of years you've worked, and when you chose to start receiving benefits. One common question I get is, what about those who are already receiving Social Security benefits? Well, I've got good news for you. Current beneficiaries don't need to take any special action to receive these increased payments. The adjustments will be made automatically. However, there are some steps you can take to ensure you're maximizing your benefits. Are you aware of all the supplemental programs and benefits you might be eligible for? Let's dive deeper into how these payments can impact your monthly budget. With inflation affecting everything from utility bills to medication costs, these increased payments couldn't come at a better time. But have you considered how to make the most of this additional money? I'll share some strategic approaches to budgeting that can help you stretch these dollars further and maintain your financial security. Something that often gets overlooked is the tax implications of these increased payments. Yes, Social Security benefits can be taxable, depending on your overall income. But don't let this worry you. I'll explain how to understand your tax obligations and potentially reduce your tax liability. Have you considered how these increased payments might affect your tax situation? It's important to plan ahead to avoid any surprises come tax season. For those of you who are married or have dependent family members, there's even more to consider. The Social Security Administration has specific provisions for spouses and dependents that could affect your total benefit amount. Are you taking full advantage of all the benefits available to your family members? Understanding these provisions could significantly impact your household's total income. Here's a critical point that many people miss. These increased payments can affect other benefits you might be receiving, such as Medicare or Supplemental Security Income, SSI. Have you checked how these changes might impact your other benefits? It's essential to look at the big picture to ensure you're optimizing all your benefits and not inadvertently reducing your eligibility for other assistance programs. Let's talk about the technology aspect of these payments. The Social Security Administration has made significant improvements to their online systems, making it easier than ever to track and manage your benefits. But are you comfortable using these digital tools? I'll guide you through the essential features of the SSA website and mobile app, helping you stay informed and in control of your benefits. For those of you who prefer traditional banking methods, don't worry, these payments can still be received through direct deposit or physical checks. However, have you considered the advantages of switching to direct deposit if you haven't already? It's not just about convenience, it's also about security and ensuring you receive your payments as quickly as possible. One aspect that's particularly important is understanding how to protect yourself from scams related to these increased payments. Unfortunately, whenever there's news about increased benefits, scammers try to take advantage of unsuspecting seniors. Do you know the warning signs of Social Security scams? I'll share essential tips to help you protect your personal information and ensure your benefits remain secure. Looking ahead, it's crucial to understand how these payments fit into your overall retirement strategy. Have you reviewed your retirement plan recently? These increased payments provide an excellent opportunity to reassess your financial goals and make any necessary adjustments to your long-term planning. For those of you who are still working while receiving Social Security benefits, there are special considerations to keep in mind. The earnings limit can affect your benefit amount. But do you know how to calculate this and plan accordingly? I'll explain how to balance work income with Social Security benefits to maximize your total earnings. Another important aspect is understanding how these increased payments might affect your eligibility for other assistance programs. Many seniors rely on multiple sources of support, and changes in Social Security income can impact other benefits. Have you checked how these increases might affect your eligibility for other assistance programs? Let's also discuss the importance of keeping your contact and payment information up to date with the Social Security Administration. Missing payments or delays can occur if your information isn't current. When was the last time you verified your information with the SSA? I'll show you how to easily update your records to ensure smooth payment processing. For those of you helping elderly parents or relatives navigate their Social Security benefits, this information is equally important. Do you have the necessary authorization to help manage their benefits? I'll explain how to become a representative payee and help ensure your loved ones receive all the benefits they're entitled to. It's worth noting that these increased payments also reflect broader changes in how we approach retirement security in America. Have you thought about how these changes might affect future generations? Understanding these trends can help you make more informed decisions about your long-term financial planning. Remember, staying informed about your Social Security benefits is crucial for maintaining financial security in retirement. Do you have a system for keeping track of changes and updates to Social Security policies? I'll share some effective ways to stay up to date with the latest information and changes that could affect your benefits. As we wrap up this discussion about the increased Social Security payments, I want to emphasize how important it is to take action now. Whether it's verifying your payment schedule, updating your information, or reviewing your long-term financial strategy, there are steps you can take today to ensure you're making the most of these increased benefits. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this information. The more we spread awareness about these important changes, the better equipped our senior community will be to make informed decisions about their benefits. Have you found this information helpful? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on Social Security benefits and retirement planning. Together, we can build a more secure financial future for all seniors in America. Remember, staying informed and proactive about your Social Security benefits is key to maximizing your retirement income. Are you ready to take control of your benefits? The time to act is now, and I'm here to help guide you through every step of the process.